Breathing. The sound of air moving in and out of the lungs. Coughing. Forceful clearing of throat or airways. Sneezing. Sudden expulsion of air to remove irritants. Snoring. Loud noises during sleep due to blocked air passages. Hiccup. Sudden diaphragm contraction producing a hic sound. Yawning. Involuntary deep breath, often when tired or bored. Sighing. Deep breath expressing relief or frustration. Burping. Expelling air from the stomach through the mouth. Stomach growling. Rumbling sounds from movement of gas and fluids in the stomach. Joint cracking. Popping sound when moving joints. Tooth grinding. Clenching or grinding of teeth. Swallowing. Moving food or liquid from mouth to stomach. Farting. Releasing gas from the digestive system through the anus. Vomiting. Forceful expulsion of stomach contents through the mouth. Sniffing. Inhaling through the nose to smell or clear nasal passages. Growling. The man growled like a fierce animal. Heartbeat. Regular rhythmic pumping of the heart. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.